Welcome to our guide on updating your profile photo in the Mastodon app. Whether you're new to Mastodon or just looking to personalize your profile, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Mastodon app on your mobile device. Next, locate the profile icon at the bottom right and tap on it. Then, select Edit Profile from the menu. Next, tap on the current photo or the placeholder image to change it. Then, your device's gallery or file manager will open. Browse through your photos and select the one you wish to use as your profile picture. Once selected, click on Choose. Finally, click on Save Change. And that's it. You've successfully updated your profile photo in the Mastodon app. This simple customization helps personalize your presence and makes your profile more recognizable to others. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.